Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by turning on network discovery and file sharing. This lets machines announce themselves on the LAN. Make sure both computers are on the same subnet or VPN so addresses are reachable. Once done, open Command Prompt or File Explorer. In File Explorer, click Network to see published machines. In Command Prompt, you can run ipconfig to confirm your IP and subnet. This immediate action gets you visible on the network and provides the addressing info you need for the next scanning steps. You continue by actively discovering which machines respond. Use a quick ping sweep or a built-in loop in Command Prompt to touch every IP in the subnet. This finds live hosts. Once you see responses, run ARP to pair IPs with MACs or use Nmap for richer details like open SMB ports. This explains who's running file sharing. Also run NetView or a lightweight network scanner to list shared folders and names. These steps tell you which PC to target and how to reach its shares. You finish by connecting and making access convenient. Type \\\, hostname or \\\, 192, 168, x into File Explorer. When prompted, supply credentials or use guest access if allowed. If you need regular access, map the share to a drive letter and choose Reconnect at sign-in. Make sure permissions are correct on the remote PC so you can read or write. If connection fails, check that Windows Firewall allows file sharing, that SMB is enabled, and that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.